Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we're preparing stuffed okra or Bharwa Bhindi. This recipe is really simple and easy. So let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for the okra filling and the other ingredients. Preparation. Wash and dry the okra. Cut off both the ends. Then make a slit and set aside. Method. Mix all the ingredients for the okra filling together. Add some oil to the filling, mix well so that all the ingredients bind together. Stuff the okra with the filling and then set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Do not allow the oil to get too hot. Then drop in the asfoetida and the curry leaves and just toss about. Gently place in the okra. Fry the okra on low heat, turning occasionally. Remove from the frying pan and drain on the kitchen towel. Serve as a starter or with rice and curry or any other accompaniment of your choice. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen